We got a 2017 Honda Civic 1.5 liter. We just straight piped it. Let's check out what we did. Basic stuff over here. We had a resonator that we took off. Then we fabricated a custom pipe, took off the muffler, ran the pipe, and then we hit it with this burnt blue/purple tip. That's what the customer wanted. He originally wanted a gold tip, but then he changed it to this. Not my style, but you know, whatever you like. So we're gonna bring it down and fire up. This is the old muffler. Where's the old muffler? Old muffler right here. And this is the old resonator right here. Pretty restricting. We're gonna see how she sounds. Guys, let me know what you think in the comments.